I'm going to be showing you how to fix iPhone video sound not working. So here are the most effective ways to fix iPhone video sound not working. The first thing you need to do is check silent mode and also the video buttons. Make sure the silent or ring switch on the left side of your iPhone, this button right here, is not red like this. Make sure that it's turned off and also press the volume up while playing the video. Even if the ringer volume is up, media volume might still be low. You also need to check if Bluetooth is stealing the audio. Your iPhone may be sending sound to AirPods, a speaker, or a car Bluetooth. In order to check it, you just need to open your control center by swiping down, and you can see your Bluetooth right here. Make sure it's not connected to anything. You also need to make sure that the app has sound enabled. Some apps like TikTok, Instagram mute by default. So just tap the speaker icon inside the app and try a different video. If it's still not working, then it might be the phone itself. So what you need to do is a simple reboot. Just restart your phone and it will help you fix temporary glitches. And that's all you need to do. That's how you fix iPhone video sound not working. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.